just admiring. Thank you, NYX. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole, if you don't know me. I love all things makeup. I love to put a bunch of stuff on my face, and I am in no way a professional. But today we're gonna be unboxing the NYX Face Awards Top 15 box. So for Top 30, they sent us a pink box, which was very cute. And now for Top 15, they sent me this. It's so big. Anyway, so inside this bag, there is this pink box, similar to the one that came for the Top 30. And we have this pretty bag. Are we ready? So in this pink box, there is Garnier again. So Garnier is one of the sponsors for the Face Awards, and they basically sent the exact same thing they sent in the Top 30 list, but bigger. In general, the two Garnier Micellar waters don't really work for me, so I'm gonna give it out to somebody else instead of hogging on to such a big bottle and not use it, right? But thank you for the big bottle. So we also have the Serum Mask Hydro Bomb Intense Hydrating Bouncy Tissue Mask. I'm excited to try this one out, mainly because my skin has been quite shitty due to the weather. It's kind of like half dry, half oily, like it can't really decide what it wants to do. So I'll probably try this out over the weekend. It looks good. Okay, let's go in with the other stuff, which is this pretty little thing here. Ah, makeup! First we have Sweet Cheeks, these cream powder blush. Ooh, this is quite dark looking. Okay, maybe this is for darker skin tones, not so much for my skin tone because the shade is actually a bit dark. Let's swatch and see. It has a very light sheen to it. I can use this as an eyeshadow, or maybe even more of a bronzer, not so much for a blush for me. This is definitely perfect for those with darker skin tones. Okay, the other color is Rose and Play. Okay, this looks like something that is more for me in terms of the shade. Oh, it's actually very soft. The formula feels really good. It's a very nice light pink shade. Again, this one also has a very light sheen to it, which is quite interesting. Normally, the blushes that I use those without glittery sheen shade, because sometimes it can be a bit too much because you're applying it all over your cheek. But I think these are actually very nice shades that you could probably also use on your eyes. This is the Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. So the last box that I got, I also got the primer as well, and that was the Studio Perfect, I can't remember the name, primer. I really like that primer. I don't know how this one is like, but we'll try it out and we'll see. Okay, now we're actually hitting the last one. So primer, this Angel Veil Primer. It feels like moisturizer. Oh, but then it becomes quite powdery. The other primer that we got felt very soft, and it actually felt like it created another layer so that it actually kind of smoothed out everything on my face. I really like the other primer. I don't know how I feel about the texture on this one, but you know, I'll probably have to try on my face to really know. But so far in the hand, it kind of feels, at first it feels moisturizing, and then it just becomes this like powdery texture, which is a bit weird. I don't know how that works. We have a brush. It's a very, very pretty brush. This is the Pro B22. To be honest, I can't tell what this is for because I'm no professional. But based on how dense it is, I think it is for foundation. But then again, it is quite angled, so I'm guessing you can use this. Oh, it's so soft. So soft. But I'm guessing you can use this for cream contouring as well, like just blending out the contour and all that kind of stuff. Next we have yes! These are the SFX Cream color. This is in the orange shade and purple shade. So when I went to Barcelona, I actually picked up the pink, white and yellow. I love it. The texture is so it's so easy to pack on and so easy to put on the face. That's the one thing I really like about the cream colors. The thing about face paint is that what you see in the box or the product itself is the exact same color that you normally would get when you paint it on your face, because the pigmentation is already there because it's a cream based, you know, makeup product. And that's the one thing I really like about, you know, Cream Color by NYX SFX. Oh my gosh, the color is exactly like it is in the pot. I love it. It's such a nice bright orange. It's so pretty. See, oh wow, the purple is nice. Now the purple is a bit muted compared to the pot itself, but again, it is such a pretty color. These are great. I didn't know they actually have this here in Malaysia, so yay! Next we have, ooh, this is the Born to Glow Illuminating Powder. It actually looks very bronzy. Okay, so I'm just gonna swatch this. Oh, okay, this is very nice. Again, it is slightly darker for my skin tone, but it's very pretty in terms of the glow and how shiny it is. What I would use it for is probably on my eyes, mainly because I can't put this on my cheeks. Or even my entire face. I just can't. It's way too dark for me. But for darker skin tones, this is definitely the perfect highlighter. Next, we have, oh, another glowy item. So cute, the name. This is Away We Glow Light Reflecting Drop Formula that is all about boosting your complexion with an illuminating glow or a sun-kissed tint. Okay, so I'm guessing this is just more like an under base before your foundation, or something that you mix in with your foundation before putting it on for that dewy glowy look. This is a liquid booster, so you put this and mix it in with your foundation before putting it on to get that glowy dewy look. I'm just gonna test it out. The shade that I have is a very pink shade. It's very pretty. It's you can see that dual chromatic shade, which is very nice. I really like it. Definitely try it out. I love all these like glowy serums because I really like the whole dewy glowy look. So this is definitely up my alley. I really like this one. This is the Lingerie Push-Up Lipstick. This is in the shade Exotic. Oh my god. I cannot even. It is so soft. It feels like butter. Like when I just... It's one, a very pretty shade. Two, it is extremely soft. I don't know how long this will last on your lips, but that formula feels so good, and this shade is so pretty. Okay, going in with the last two products, we have two eyeshadow palettes. One is the Ultimate Edit and one is Off Tropic. This is the Ultimate Edit. I have been eyeing this for quite a while actually. Not bad actually. So normally for me, I realize that yellow shades don't normally pick up very well. Like only certain yellow shades pick up well. But this one picks up very well actually. I quite like it. It has a bit more of an orange undertone to it, but it's also very nice. Next shade is number 2. This is a peachy. Oh, this is nice. Okay, going in with number 3. This looks like a more neon shade. Oh, this is pretty. Very nice shade. It is very bright. I didn't expect it to pick up so well, the pigmentation. Very nice. I really like this shade. Next, I'm going to go in with the purple shade. Oh, the pigmentation is also very nice for this. It's more of like a cotton candy purple neon. It's not like super neon purple. Then the blue. Wow, this is stunning. I love the shade. It's so pretty. Last one in the palette is this green. Okay, the green does not pick up as well as the blue, purple, and neon pink. It kind of picks up the same way the yellow does, but not as well. The pigmentation wise, it's not as strong as the neon shade. Okay, so let's go in with the last palette. It is the Off Tropic palette. Such beautiful colors. Okay, so let's just go in with this lighter shade. Okay, it literally blends into my skin. In terms of texture, I like how it feels. It's soft. It doesn't feel very powdery. There's not a lot of fallout, so that's good. Let's try out this gold shade. Okay, well it looks great. So when I swatched it, like when I put my finger and pressed it onto the pan, you can feel the powdery feel to it, but then when you swatch it, beautiful. I love the color. It's like a gold foil, very very pretty shade. Next, this is a very mustard yellow. Wow, I love the formula for this. It feels really good. It's soft and it's not powdery. Feels very great. Honestly, I like it, and the pigment is there, so that's good. Next is a pink shade. Ooh, I like this one too. So it's not as pigmented as the other palette, but it's very pretty as well. You don't feel the powder to it. I really like this shade. I'm excited for this shade. This green looks gorgeous. Oh wow. There is very tiny gold specks to it, and it's not heavy. You don't feel the glitter. It's a very nice sheen. I really really like this shade. It has this very snaky vibe. I don't know how to explain it, but it's such a pretty shade. I really like it. Okay, then we're gonna go in with this red orangey shade. Nice. It feels super soft. Again, it's not super powdery. It's just soft. I don't really know how to explain it, but it feels so soft. Next is this orange shimmer shade. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. It's so bright, but also so shimmery, and oh wow. I think it's the same formula as the other shimmer shades. Very nice, very soft. When you just one slide and the color is there, the pigmentation is really good. I really really like that color. Okay, last three shades. This is a brown shade. Oh, so soft too. Very soft, and the pigment picks up very well. Next is a nice shimmery purple. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Very very nice color. It's a very nice purple maroon color. And the last one is a dark brown shade. Wow, it looks very cocoa color. I really like this one. Very nice shade. So these are the shades that I swatched. Overall, I really really like this palette. I think it is so easy to use, especially if you're gonna go for like a not too bright kind of look, but still want to pop a little bit. It's quite a versatile palette, honestly. With the dark shades and the sheen, I think it's very very pretty. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me unboxing the top 15 Face Awards box. Overall, I love the products that they sent this round. I'm really really looking forward to try the Garnier mask, and I can't wait to play with this, all of it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and the top 15 challenge video will be coming up very soon, so keep your eyes peeled on my YouTube channel, my Instagram. You can follow me everywhere on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, they're all the same handle, and I'll leave everything down below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!